Piece of paradise and more. Move right in. Use as a vacation home or investment or be a full-time resident. Minutes to beaches, restaurants, shopping and the views of sunsets and sunrises. Boating, fishing, tennis, pickleball courts, swimming, clubhouse activities, billiards, cards, arts and crafts, library, ballroom, kitchen, fitness with sauna, 6 heated pools, barbecue, boat slips when available. Everything to do. 24-hour guarded gated security. Move-in condition, fully furnished or not, if new owner does not need furnished. Laundry on the 4th floor. Balcony off the bedroom with sunrise views. Walk-in closet. Large pantry/linen.